Oh, come on. I know something's just loose because it was coming on when it oscillated all the way to the left. Where's the weak point? I see a spark in there. Well, I guess I'm gonna have to repair that again. That has definitely come loose. Well, at least we know it's not the lights. The lights are still reliable. And speaking of reliable, these are becoming a serious pain point in terms of reliability. 2 of these I relamped before I put them out because they weren't working. The 2 that were working already I left alone because they had no burnt out bulbs. I put them out. Both of them broke. Brought them inside. One was still broken, I fixed it. The other one started working. Brought it back outside, doesn't work. Which was this one right here. So I troubleshooted outside, I replaced 2 bulbs. It was working fine. And now another one's gone out. And these are 12-volt bulbs. So as soon as you lose one, the voltage goes up a fair bit. It's not like it's a string of 50. So I got to get that changed. And it looks like these are all full of water inside. I don't remember that being an issue in the past. Almost every single one is like that. That's unfortunate. Really quite like these too. And then there's something weird about the color pattern, because there seemed to be a significantly higher number of white and red than any other color. And maybe there's some kind of permutation where if I start the strings with a certain color, then it would fit, or each one doesn't have the, I don't know what the heck is up with it, but every year I try to even this out as much as I can and I fail. And there ends up being just a whole bunch of, it's almost a complete set. There's the connector right there. There's almost a complete set of just red and yellow. So the number of blue and green is like, I don't know, 20% less than the red and yellow. I don't know what's up with that. Anyways, there's our first breakdown. At least if that goes out again, we know why. I'm just glad it's not an issue with the lights.